cowboy. Not so far. He looked like that. How about that next one so far? Hey, y'all, the Ratchet 27 out here on the west side of the diesel wagon. Break. Anybody got a copy on board? Dog buggy. That was Southern California. Tennessee, 24-7, Undertaker waving with the top of bill. Yeah, come on, there. 24-7, what's going on? 24-7, Ratchet 27, trying to get it back. 9 o'clock, 24-7, you put in a socket over your mouth, man. That's all I heard, man. I don't make up a story about it. It's down 3-9, go down. Radio, inside, all up Dirty Whiteboy out here in the mobile waving his hand, trying to get hurt with all you big straps out there, no doubt about it. Dirty Whiteboy in the mobile around Fresno, Cal, waving his hand, reading your mail.
Hey, Dirty Whiteboy. Hey, Dirty Whiteboy, man, you got Mother Nature over here in Tennessee. Hey, Dirty Whiteboy, that mobile's doing its thing. 220 with this wave.
Hello, good morning. He talked of it. I had you on 17.
Hey, Dirty Whiteboy, man, it's rough and tough, but I hear you out there. I want to key it down and let you know I hear you in Tennessee. Hey, Dirty Whiteboy, welcome to the weekend. You're 220 high voltage. Rock it on.
I got a whole week. No doubt about it. Okay, 220, Mr. Highvoltage. Now here's a little back water. Talk of it, 3-9, Coward, the weekend wave. 7 in the diesel wagon around Northern Cal, just seeing what's going on. Well, right back at you, Michigan. I'm sorry. I didn't catch your info, but I got Michigan in there. Well, you have a good Friday to you. Undertaker, 10 riders, 24-7, 10 riders, 24-7. Yeah, you're still rocking it down, that's for sure. We can go get down. 24-7, top at 18 once again out in 10. 3-9, Sierra Mountain Cowboy. Good day, Lewis. Over there. 132, Sacramento. California. As I heard that, 10 inches in 4 days. You think that is the large wind right there. That ain't no jumped up in there. I believe it's about not hurrying you off the ground out here in this big old car road. 10 riders, 24-7, 10 riders. All right, man, everything's in the liquid sunshine out there. You better wake out the phone on the weekend. 24-7, rock on to the flyby, 39 Cal, Florida. This is out here in California. Yeah, what's the dial here? 132, Sacramento, California. Get out of here. Yeah. I'm going to kilowatt shit, my 2.5 watt, Hunky Chuck, gotta go. Roger that. I see the stuff on the news, man, looks pretty bad. Hey, you're going over there. Yeah, but they shouldn't plug people out just to get rid of water.